money, whenever we talk about money, money comes into two forms, the physical form or the barter form or the digital form. So whatever we do, whatever we work, whatever we aim for is all in a virtual mode, we can say, or in a physical mode, we can say that it is relatable to a value transaction, and value can be depicted in money. So money is something from which we can buy, we can sell, we can barter, we can exchange, or we can do anything. But what is the importance of money in our life? The importance is that we have to understand the concept of investing. First, we will be talking about the investing, earning money. Whatever field we choose, we will earn money as per our wish, as per our acumen, we will say. And then the question comes how to invest money. So the easiest mode of investing money is to save money. And there is a old adage. We always say that you have to save at least 1/3 of your total income as a compulsorily saving for the future, for the old age, or for investing in a new project or new business, you can always say. So investment can be through the banks, open a bank account, do a banking transaction, save the money in the bank FDs or the bank accounts or other thing, or invest in the mutual funds through the share stock exchange, and going by the demat and invest in stocks and shares. And we can also invest in commodities, which we say like gold, like silver, or other commodities. But for you, for the kids, we will say that have a habit of investing money, because investment and investing money is very important for the long-term future usage you will be requiring at all times. There is always also a saying, old saying, that money should be kept aside in liquid form also for some emergency use. So you should always have a understanding that some part of your earnings should be kept in a liquid form. We should be always available day and night, 24/7, we will say. The second aspect is loans. If you want to grow, if you want to do business, if you want to do profession, if you want to say establish a factory, or you want to go for exports or want to go for higher education outside, then you need loan. And you have to understand what is loan and how it is given. Loan is always given on your credentials, on your transaction history, on your credentials of your parents, father and mother, or your family. So loan means any money which you have taken from a third party and you are paying interest on it. Normally, the interest depends upon the transaction, why the money has been taken, whether it is for business, whether it is for collateral on the property, or it is for higher education. Education loans are very cheaper, and if it is guaranteed, then it is much cheaper. If you go, say, for higher education to US or to Europe or to UK, you can always take a education loan on your name. There is a subsidy given by Government of India and Government of Rajasthan on the higher education loans. But loan is something which you have to repay in a specified fixed time. And that you have to understand, and any default in it affect your credibility ratings. You know, now we have a credit rating agency of a person also, that is called CIBIL. So CIBIL rating is very important, and on the basis of the score in the CIBIL, you get loans, you get credit cards, you get even bank account open on the basis of the CIBIL ratings, and you get a leverage limit on that bank accounts. I'm talking about cryptocurrency. The Bitcoin is going up, Bitcoin is going down. In the last 2 days, if you had gone through the newspapers, you will say that Bitcoin has lost almost 50% of its value, which was in 2021. So in the year 2021, Bitcoin raised up to $67,000 for one Bitcoin. Now it is almost $30,000 for one Bitcoin. But what is the status of trading in cryptocurrency in India? Supreme Court has said it is legal to trade, but the government has said that if you trade in India, then GST and income tax would be applicable at the maximum higher rate possible on it. So we have to be very, very cautious about the possibility of taxation on cryptocurrency. You see, cryptocurrency is a digital currency which is not controlled by anyone, and therefore it has plus and minus. In some countries, it has been accepted as a legal tender, but in many countries, it is not accepted as a legal tender. So we have to be very cautious while dealing with the cryptocurrency. You will also have to understand that sometimes by a single tweet, the cryptocurrency increases, and a single tweet, the cryptocurrency decreases. You must have heard about Elon Musk, the Tesla owner, and who has taken the Twitter recently. So he always tweets about some Dogecoin, and the Dogecoin valuation goes up. And he sometimes say that he will not accept any cryptocurrency or Dogecoin as the payment for the Tesla car, and the value of that goes down. So my dear friends, you will have to understand the money, the value of money, the loans, the investments, and the cryptocurrency. They are all interlinked. And one new thing has come into it, that is called digital currency. What do you mean by digital currency? Any payment you are making through UPI ID, through Paytm, through PhonePe, or like apps, they are called digital money transactions. And in India, it has been increasing day like anything. And it is now crossing, it is more than the physical money transactions in India. And the UPI ID interface, it has been developed in India by the Indian government, and it is controlled by National Payment Corporation of India. So friends, you have to understand that all the transactions, they are all to be reported, recorded, and when you go for value of money, you have to invest your money for your future, for your lifetime, for higher educations and everything. And with the cryptocurrency trading, if you are going on it, because it is available on your mobile, it is available on your laptop, you can just log on to any account and do that trading. But that would attract GST. The concept is going on, what rate of tax would it apply? But in income tax, in all earnings, the tax is levied, and the government take a cut on all your earnings. So you have to understand that any earnings you are making from the money, it is liable to be taxed in India by the Indian government, and you will be required before 18. If you are there, you have to, all your earnings would be clubbed with your father's or mother's returns. But after that, you will become a major, and when you become a major, you will have your independent value assessments, the balance sheet, which we say, that reflects the value of money from the asset side and the liability side. In the money concept, there are two sides. One is asset side, whatever earning, whatever saving, whatever fixed deposit, whatever investment you have, that is called the asset side, and whatever liabilities you have, that is called the negative side. And that has to be considered in a balance sheet, which you will be required to maintain throughout your life and file the details and other things. So briefly, I would simply say that understanding the money concept and using it very cautiously, and in the old adage, I would always say that if you use the money carefully, whether earning or by spending or by investing, it would always reap benefits. It will always reap results which can multiply your investments and your business. And therefore, a proper understanding of money and monetary policies is very much required to be done. Thank you.